20 best foods to keep your lungs healthy. Lungs are an important organ of the body that play a vital role in helping the body function properly. With a rise in air pollution and the population that smokes, respiratory illnesses such as asthma, cystic fibrosis, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, have increased drastically. As per the World Health Organization, WHO, exposure to air pollution causes 4.2 million deaths worldwide every year. Healthy diet for lungs. Too much exposure to air pollution can cause the mucus to gather in the lungs to capture the pathogens and microbes, making your chest feeling full and congested. Including certain foods in your diet will protect your lungs from harmful pollution and help you breathe better. 1. Apples. Apples contain phenolic compounds and flavonoids that are known for reducing inflammation in the air passageway. A research study published in the European Respiratory Journal found that children who drink a glass of apple juice a day are less likely to develop a wheezing problem. 2. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants that may decrease inflammation in the lungs and promote better healing. The antioxidant quercetin acts as a natural antihistamine which slows down the release of histamine that causes allergy symptoms. A 2017 study found that 1,000 adults in Korea who drank 2 cups of green tea per day had better lung function than those who didn't drink green tea. 3. Fish. Fishes such as mackerel, trout, sardines, and herring can help treat chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. According to the researchers at the University of Rochester School of Medicine and Dentistry, the omega-3 fatty acids found in fishes can help the body combat lung infections. 4. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are another superfood for the lungs. Nuts like almonds, cashews, walnuts, pistachios, Brazil nuts and hazelnuts and seeds such as pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, and sunflower seeds provide your body with plenty of magnesium, an essential mineral that acts as a bronchodilator. 5. Extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is packed with monounsaturated fats, vitamin E and vitamin K that can help protect against oxidative stress in the lungs and prevent lung tissue damage. 6. Broccoli. Broccoli contains a compound called sulforaphane, which increases the activity of a gene found in the lung cells that protects the organ from damage caused by oxidative stress. It also improves airflow in the lungs in asthmatics. 7. Ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation in the body. It also helps in detoxifying the lungs and promoting the elimination of pollutants from the lungs. This spice also relieves congestion, unclogs air passages, and improves circulation to the lungs, thereby enhancing lung health. 8. Garlic. Garlic contains flavonoids that stimulate the production of glutathione that helps to eliminate the toxins and carcinogens which further aid in the proper functioning of the lungs. A study showed that people who consumed 3 cloves of raw garlic twice a week were less likely to develop lung cancer by 44%. 9. Whole grains. Incorporate whole grain foods like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat into your diet. These foods lower the risk of chronic lung disease and promote good respiratory health. 10. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin that helps stimulate secretions and protects mucous membranes in the upper and lower respiratory tract. So, it is best to add cayenne pepper in your meals while cooking, or you can drink cayenne pepper tea to get rid of the asthma symptoms. 11. Beetroot. Beetroot, a root vegetable high in phytochemicals and bioactive compounds, can help improve lung function. It is also a rich source of nitrates, which have been shown to facilitate proper functioning of the lungs. Nitrates aid in widening the blood vessels, lowering blood pressure and increasing oxygen levels. 12. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is rich source of carotenoids, polyphenols, vitamin C, magnesium and manganese. Studies have shown that carotenoids may play a role in improving respiratory health. 13. Turmeric. Turmeric, a wonderful spice prized for its medicinal properties, can be beneficial for supporting lung function, thanks to the main active component in turmeric called curcumin. A study showed that a turmeric-rich curry diet has been associated with improved lung function. 14. Tomato. Tomatoes are the richest dietary sources of lycopene, a carotenoid that has been linked to proper functioning of the lungs. Consuming tomato and tomato juice has been shown to decrease airway inflammation in people with asthma and reduces the risk of mortality in people with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. 15. Blueberry. Blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins, which have been shown to improve lung function. A study showed that consuming 2 or more servings of blueberries per week slowed down the rate of decline in lung function compared with low or no blueberry intake. 16. Oysters. Oysters are packed full of nutrients such as selenium, zinc, B vitamins and copper. Studies show that increased levels of selenium and copper promote healthy functioning of the lungs. 17. Cocoa. Cocoa is rich in polyphenols and contain a compound called theobromine, which helps relax the bronchial smooth muscles in the lungs and stimulates the heart muscles. 18. Coffee. Coffee, the energizing beverage that we have to boost our energy levels in the morning, is packed with antioxidants which may have a positive effect on lung health. A study showed that drinking coffee was associated with lowering the risk of asthma and improving lung function. 19. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables such as Swiss chard, cabbage, broccoli and kale are high in fiber content. And studies have shown increasing the intake of high-fiber foods may improve lung function. 20. Yogurt. Yogurt is loaded with calcium, selenium, phosphorus and potassium. These minerals have been shown to boost lung function and lower the risk of COPD. Diet tips for better lung function. During the day eat more food and at night eat less. Avoid foods that cause gas or bloating. Consume 4 to 6 meals a day.